Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Lexus IS 200T maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: menu, butt, back, enter, left, right, up, and down. We're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Give me a second to get closer. Okay. Now you're gonna go ahead and use the menu button, and when you press it, the odometer is gonna move to the right, just like that. Now use the arrow to scroll. Actually, press back first. Now use the left or the right arrow to go find your page, which is setting here. Now press enter. Scroll down to maintenance, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on yes, and go back. Now you also have to reset the oil maintenance, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on that, and that'll do it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.